Good morning, children. Let us learn how to find arithmetic mean x bar in discrete series by all the three methods. Here, the data which is given to you is in discrete form. Where there are no classes in x, it means it is discrete data and it has f also. So, marks are actually x and number of whatever the number of things are that we consider as f, frequency. Now, by direct method, how will you solve it? You need three columns for this. First column will reflect marks, that is your x. Second column will reflect your number of students, that is f. And we need its summation also. So, summate this particular frequency. That comes out to be 100. And now, multiplication of f into x will form the third column. So, whatever two columns you have written, just multiply both of them. So 10 into 50 will give you 15 will give you 150. 20 plus 100 20 into 100 will give you 200. 30 into 40 will give you 1200. 40 into 20 will give you 800 and 50 into 15 will fetch us 750. We again want the summation of fx because it is required in our formula. So 150 plus 200 plus 1200 plus 800 plus 750 will give us 3100. Now formula goes this way: x bar is equal to summation of fx upon summation of f. That is summation of fx, third column, 3100, and divided by summation of second column, that is 100, will give you 31. So x bar is equal to 31. By shortcut method, also known as assumed mean method, you need 4 columns in this case. Like you had written first column as marks x, that you will write, number of students f, that you will write. Now the difference is that you will select the middle x. So in the middle we find 30. So this is our assumed mean. You need d, third column will be d. D, how will you find out? X minus a. The same column you will be utilizing to find d. How come? First x is 10 and a is constant 30. So 10 minus 30 will give you minus 20. Now second x is 20 minus 30 will give you minus 10. 30 and assumed mean is also 30. So 30 minus 30, 0. Now x is this time 40, but assumed mean remains the same, 30. 40 minus 30, 10, plus 10. And 50 minus 30 plus 20. Now you require to multiply these two columns. Column number 2 containing frequency and column number 3 containing d. So 15 into minus 20 will fetch you minus 300. 10 into minus 10 will give you minus 100. 40 into 0, 0. 20 into 10, 200. 15 into 20, 300. Now you need summation of column number 2, that is summation of f, and you require summation of column number 4, that is summation of fd. So minus 300 and 300 can be cancelled and 200 minus 100 will give you 100. Now this is the formula: x bar is equal to a, which is assumed mean 30, plus summation of fd upon summation of f. 30 plus fd is 100, I have written here. Summation of f is 100, I have written here. Both will cancel, giving you 1. 30 plus 1 is 31. So x bar this time again is 31. By step deviation method, you require 5 columns. First column comprising of x again with assumed mean 30. Second column comprising of f, we need its summation. D, like you have found out, x minus a previously, minus 20, 10, 0, 10 and 20, like it was there in the previous method. But this time you require to find out a common factor which can divide all of them. So I can see zeros ending in zeros. So I will select c is equal to 10. So d dash will be d divided by c. So minus 20 divided by 10 will give you minus 2. Minus 10 divided by 10 will give us minus 1. 0 divided by 10, 0. 10 divided by 10, 1. And 20 divided by 10 will give you 2. So C is common factor. How I have decided? I have seen which number can divide all of them to the lowest. Now you have to multiply these two columns, F and D dash. F is 15 and D dash is minus 2. So this will fetch us minus 30. 10 into minus 1, 10. Minus 10, sorry. 40 into 0, 0. 20 into 1, 20. And 15 into 2, 30. See, you can cancel plus 30 and minus 30. 20 minus 10 will give you 10. Now formula goes this way. X bar is equal to A plus summation of FD dash, this fifth column summation, into C. C is 10 upon summation of F from the second column. Place all the numbers, place all the values. 30 plus 10 into 10 upon 100. Zeros will cancel. You will get 1 here. 30 plus 1, 31. So X bar is equal to 31. In case you have any doubt, you can clarify your doubts tomorrow in the online classes. Thank you.